Since launch, Beam has gone up almost 600%. Now, where did you hear first about Beam? Obviously on this channel. We talked about Beam even before it was launched, when it was still called Merit Circle. Now, how long can this rally last? We are currently at roughly 3.3 cents. And in the last month alone, the price went up by 85%. Now, here's a very similar looking chart. Compare those two charts. The prices are different by 100x. Because this chart is Merit Circle. Merit Circle made a rebrand to Beam and migrated to a new token with a 1:100 ratio. And we talked about Merit Circle before Beam was even launched on September 4th. So that was over here. Since then, the price more than 10x'd. So if this is your first time to hear about Beam or about Merit Circle, maybe you should be following channels like this. Now let's talk about demand and supply, because demand and supply is what determines the price, and we all want to know where the price is going. How is the supply developing over time? How much token unlocks are there? How is demand developing? Is this only small retail that's buying, or is the smart money? Are the whales buying as well? Let's have a look at all of this. What we've got over here is the page of token.unlocks.app for Merit Circle/Beam. Right now we've got 767 million tokens floating. Now this is Merit Circle. Simply multiply this by 100 to get the number of Beam tokens. Because again, there's a 1:100 conversion. 1 year from now, the supply will be at 929 million. So yes, there is a supply expansion. It does decrease over time. And especially given the current momentum around the project and given that there's a lot of money flowing into crypto, I don't think the expansion is too bad. Of course, the ideal would be to never see an expanding supply, but then you also don't have any money for development, any money for marketing. That's also not that great usually for an altcoin. So the supply side of the equation seems to be okay. Let's have a look at the demand. Who is buying here? Let's look at on-chain analytics. So that's the beauty of the blockchain. We can look at who's buying and who's selling. Is the smart money buying? Is the smart money selling? Who's driving the current price rally? And to answer that question, I have built a tool. You can plug in any Ethereum token into that tool, and we can look at the number of retail wallets versus whale wallets. On the left side, we've got the number of wallets that hold at least 30,000 Beam tokens. So at the current price, that's roughly $1,000. That's the regular retail. In the middle, we've got medium-sized retail. That's now minimum holding of $10,000. On the right side, we've got the whales. That's a minimum holding of $100,000 worth of the token. Those are very long-term charts. They start in October of 2023. So that's since the rebrand. But since the price is going up 85% in the last month alone, let's look at the same charts in the last month only. The number of retail wallets grew by roughly 17 to 18%. The number of whale wallets grew by roughly 7.7%. So all wallet cohorts are buying, small retailers buying, the whales are buying. The whales aren't buying as quickly though as regular retail, but still there is no selling whatsoever. Everyone seems to be accumulating. This is very, very positive. Now, what about the mega whales though? The wallets that hold most of the tokens. Are they buying? Are they selling? What happens to the smart contract wallets? What happens to the centralized exchange wallets? What we've got over here is the token distribution pie chart. And we've got 27% of all of supply in a smart contract wallet, another 13% again in a smart contract wallet, another 12% in another smart contract wallet. This is all related to the team. But then the first wallet that's not team related is a centralized exchange wallet. That's Binance, 11% over here. Another wallet that doesn't change its balance. And then number 6 is a Bybit wallet. Here is smart contract wallet number 1, rather accumulating. Smart contract wallet number 2, also accumulating or staying steady. Smart contract wallet number 3, nothing happening. Here is the Binance wallet. Here is the Bybit wallet. So everybody is accumulating here. Small retailers buying, the whales are increasing in number, the centralized exchanges are buying more and more, the smart contracts also scoop up more and more of the token. I don't see anything negative fundamentally around the demand. Now that's not to say that there is nothing at all that could be said negatively about Beam. Have a look at the table behind me. Here are cryptocurrencies ordered by market cap in the gaming sector. And I think it's a far stretch to call Internet Computer a gaming cryptocurrency. Immutable X definitely is though. Beam is already the second largest gaming cryptocurrency. And it takes less than a 3x from here to become number 1. So that would hint that maybe, at least in terms of relative performance to other gaming cryptocurrencies, the upside potential might be a bit limited. Of course, I do believe that the US dollar valuation valuations of all kinds of altcoins are going up, especially of crypto gaming. But within gaming, I'm not sure how much Beam can still outperform despite all of that demand and despite the relatively low supply increase. There are very smart people that are also heavily betting on IMX and not yet betting on Beam. It's gonna be an interesting altcoin season, and of course I will continue to cover Beam in the future as well on this channel. I've made several videos already. And so again, if it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. To get access to this tool, feel free to check out Premium, thebitcoinstrader.com. Link is down below. And what's also down below is the link to the free Telegram. Feel free to check it out.